Question number 16. They're asking, the crew of an 8-oar boat is to be chosen from 12 men. You have to choose from 12 men, of whom 3 can row on the stroke side only. 3 can row on the stroke side only. Stroke side only. Therefore, the number of ways in which we can choose stroke side only. Find the number of ways in which crew can be arranged. In how many ways you can arrange the crew. So you have to find total number of ways. Total are 12 men. It's given. We have to choose for 4 persons for each side. It's written here. The crew of an 8-oar boat is to be chosen from 12 men, of whom 3 can row on the stroke side only. Find the number of ways in which crew can be arranged. So hint it's given. We have to choose 4 persons for each side. And as 3 persons can row on the stroke side only. Total out of 12. 3 can row on the stroke side only. So remaining are how many? 9. That 9 can row on the opposite side also. Okay, non-stroke side also. So 9 can row on the stroke side or non-stroke side. Any it can be. Stroke side. 9 can row on the stroke side or non-stroke side. Both it's possible. But 3 are fixed that can row on the stroke side only. So you have to choose for 4 persons from this side, 4 persons from that side. So each side you have to choose 4 persons. As 3 persons can row only on the stroke side, so we can choose 4 persons for the non-stroke side. From non-stroke side, I choose from this 9. So 9, 3, 4 for non-stroke side. Choose like this. And having done this, we are left with 8 persons. 4 are used here. Total are 12 men. So remaining are how many? 8 are left. Remaining 8 are left. And from this 8, I have to choose for stroke side. So we can choose 4 persons for the stroke side in how many ways? 8, 4 ways. It is clear or not? What I am trying to say, total are 12 men. 3 can row on the stroke side only. 3 can row on the stroke side only. So remaining how many are there? Which can row on the stroke side or non-stroke side? It can, any possibility can be there. So non-stroke side, how many are remaining? So you have to choose from 9C4. So 9C4. Now 4 I have used here. From 9 only 4 I will take. So remaining, how many are left here? 9C4. 4 I have used. And total were what? 12 men. So 12 minus 4. How many are left? 8. So 8 are left. So from this 8, I have to choose for stroke side. So 8C4 ways for stroke side and 9C4 for non-stroke side. So 8C4 into 9C4. It is clear. And that 4 men for each side. So factorial 4 for arranging this side. Factorial 4 for arranging for that side. Is it clear? So 8C4 into 9C4 into factorial 4 into factorial 4. You have to solve. How will we do? 8C4. Factorial of 4, 8 upon factorial of 4 into factorial of 8 minus 4, that is factorial 4 into factorial of 9 upon factorial of 4 into factorial of 9 minus 4, that is 5 into factorial of 4 into factorial of 4. Is it clear? Factorial 4, factorial 4, factorial 4, factorial 4. Is it clear? Factorial 8 into factorial of 9 upon factorial of 4 into factorial 5. Factorial 4 into factorial 5. When you will solve this 8 factorial I am writing. This factorial 9 I am writing factorial 9 only. This I am writing factorial 8 into 7 into 6 into factorial of 5 upon. There it is factorial 4 into factorial of 5. Factorial 5 cancel. It is factorial 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 upon this factorial 4 I will write. Factorial 9 I will not open because it's a very huge number. So into 8 into 7 into 6 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This factor 4 I am writing this. 4 to the 8, 2 to cancel, 3 to the 6. So factorial 9 into 14. So 14 factorial 9 is the answer. Is it clear? Thank you.